Hello my friends, my name is Shayan and you are watching Techno Creators. Today in this video I will show you how to make a rock salt lamp. So let's get started.
First of all, you need a wooden box and drill 3 holes from one side for potentiometers. From another side you have to drill 2 holes for charging socket and indicator and a drill place for switch. I also drilled 3 holes at the top of box for LED terminals outlet.
Then I take 3 potentiometers of 500 ohms. I put the purchasing link of these potentiometers in the description. You can buy from there.
Then take a potentiometer and break its left terminal. Do this with other 2 potentiometers also as I done here. Then take a potentiometer and join a red wire to the right terminal and white wire to the middle terminal of potentiometer as I done here. Repeat this with other 2 potentiometers but changing the color from blue and green as shown in this video. Connect the white wires of all potentiometers with each other as shown here. And then it is good idea to solder them in place. Then take the wooden box and fit the potentiometers in it by pressing it slightly as shown here. You can also use super glue for placing them in well. Be cautious not to glue the inner part of potentiometer as they will not rotate them.
Then I think to add volume knobs to potentiometers. I purchased it from AliExpress. I put the purchasing link of these knobs in the description. You can buy from there. Then I take 3.5 mm female jack and solder wires to it. Then I fixed it to the box as shown here. Then I take a switch and fix it to the box. I put the purchase link of this in the description. Then I take an LED. My one is green color, but you can use any color. Then you need an 100 ohm resistor and a diode. I get it from old power supply board. Then connect LED, resistor and diode in series as shown in this picture.
Then attach LED to wooden box and use super glue to fix them. Connect all the things as shown in this picture. These are positive and negative wires of battery. Then take a 3.7 mobile battery and connect it to the circuit. It is good idea to secure the wires with electric tape. Then use super glue to attach the battery with the box to avoid battery shaking. Then it is good idea to plug in charger for checking the LED indicator. Then I take 3 LEDs of red, green and blue color and attach them to heatsink using heatsink compound.
Then I connect the negative terminals of all LEDs in series and connected black wire to it. Then connect the positive terminal of red LED to red wire, blue LED to blue wire and green LED to green wire. pass all the wires of LEDs through these holes and use super glue for fixing the heat sink of the box. Then connect the wires as shown here. Then it is good idea to check all the things are working properly or not. Then use Fevicol to fix the lid with the box. Wipe the exceed Fevicol with fingers.
And wait for an hour. Then you need a rock salt. My one is white color, but you can also use red color. I drilled a hole at bottom of the rock salt as the LED should fit inside. Our beautiful looking rock salt lamp is ready. You can adjust its colors as your choice. As we know, all the colors are mix up of three colors that are red, green and blue. So we can make any color by simply adjusting each LED's potentiometer. Rock salt have its own benefits. It purifies air, it decreases stress, it gives a pure thinking, and also it looks beautiful with these colors.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and this rock salt lamp. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Friends, I put the link of my another project in the description. I hope you will see that.